Tiny Gummy Bear TV.
Shapes are everywhere. Let's go explore from the ceiling to the floor. A circle is round, just like a wheel, or a clock that helps you tell time for real. A square has four sides, equal and neat, like a window where you take a seat. A triangle has three sides, sharp and fine, like a slice of cheese or a road sign. Shapes, shapes, big and small, let's go find them, one and all, in the things we see each day. Shapes are here in every way. A rectangle is long, like a door so wide, or a flag that waves with pride. An oval is smooth, like a football's curve, or an egg on a plate, don't let it swerve. A star shines bright up in the night, like a Christmas topper glowing light. A diamond is like a kite in the air, or a street sign saying beware. Shapes, shapes, big and small, let's go find them, one and all, in the things we see each day. Shapes are here in every way. A pentagon has five sides, like a fork, or a soccer ball's patch in a sport. A hexagon is six, like a honeycomb sweet, where bees make honey, a tasty treat. A crescent is the moon when it's thin and bright, or a banana you take a bite. A cube is like a dice you roll, or a box that holds a treasure gold. Shapes, shapes, big and small, let's go find them, one and all, in the things we see each day. Shapes are here in every way. A sphere is a ball, round and smooth, or a bubble you blow with a groove. A cone is like an ice cream treat, or a traffic cone on the street. A cylinder is tall, like a soda can, or a pencil's barrel held in your hand. Shapes make the world fun to see, learning them is a joy for